So in my previous videos, I have shown you how the star readers engage in triangulation in this manufacturing competition. So what many don't understand about my situation is that the real villain isn't the one that they claim is competing. Instead, it is this psychopath who are the ones orchestrating the entire set. So they create false narratives about two people. One, they intentionally trample, while the other, they uplift. So what most people don't realize is that behind this game, the true manipulators are the psychopaths. They thrive on triangulation and competition because it gives them control, fuels their ego, and it keeps people distracted from seeing the truth. So why do psychopaths promote competition? One, control through chaos. By pitting people against each other, they create conflict, confusion, dependency, ensuring that no one questions their role as the manipulator. Two, it's a power game. So they love being the ones who decide who is worthy and who is trash. And three, they create a cycle of dependency. So when it comes to the tarot readers, when they frame their readings around a divine feminine versus karmic competition, they're actually setting up a trap, and they want people to constantly seek answers from them, reinforcing emotional reliance on the readers. And four, emotional manipulation. Well, psychopaths feed off your emotion. They deliberately trigger reactions because they thrive on controlling and manipulating emotional. And so how do they do it? Well, comparison is the most obvious one. They create rivalry where none exists. Two, by spreading false narratives, by twisting reality to fuel conflict. Three, providing different versions of the truth so that people will stay confused. And four, playing favorites and switching sides, making sure that no one will feel secure and will stay confused forever. So in short, the star reading psychopaths manufacture competition and they use triangulation to divide, conquer, and control. What's their ultimate goal? Power, influence, and emotional control over their audience. So in my targeting, they tried to paint me as the one competing, but some people out there know the truth about this so-called competition. So as I studied the situation, I kept screenshots because I knew I would need them to see the bigger picture. So at one point, someone mentioned that the star readers were actually competing with a feminine and that they were being abusive. So at the time, I didn't fully understand what they meant by this reader competing with a feminine until I started recognizing the patterns. So that's when it became clear that they were a group of psychopaths engaging in triangulation, scapegoating, and high-level manipulation. So suddenly, it all made sense why I have to be the competitive one, because I was being scapegoated and that they were projecting it onto me. I just want to clarify that I was never competing, and up until now, I'm still not competing. So psychopaths always flip the script. So that's their nature, and the evil that they project onto others is a direct reflection of who they truly are. Psychopaths are intensely competitive because their only real motivation is dominance, control, and personal gain. And gang stalking isn't random. It's a power game designed by these psychopaths to keep themselves in control.